let us talk about wastage in Petpooja inventory. Wastage is essentially a module where you can record all the wastages taken place and apply an effect for the same in your inventory stock. To begin, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Under inventory, there will be a heading of consumption. And inside consumption, you can see wastage. A screen like so will appear where you can apply filters for looking at your previous wastages via date, status, category and view. When I click on search, categories like so will be displayed, where the total amount of the wastage of that category is displayed and the total average price. Once I click on this plus sign, all the raw materials which were wasted will be visible along with their necessary details. If I want to export this view, I can click on export all and an Excel like so will be generated. Let us see how can we add wastage manually. First, it will ask for wastage of which item. Whether it is a dish is usually present inside your menu. If any dish is wasted, you can measure them here. Or is it for a raw material? We will select the raw material, the quantity being wasted, and average purchase price for the same will auto-populate here. This average is moving average. The settings for the same is available in inventory configuration. You can set the average as per your liking: 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, 90 days. You can also add description for the particular wastage. Once done, you can click on Save Changes and the wastage will be recorded. If you'd like to delete a wastage, you'll have to first switch the view to date-wise, search it, and then click on this button to delete that particular date's wastage. Now, if you only want to delete one item out of 3 wastages registered for that date, you'll have to essentially delete the entire date and then recreate the wastage to tally your stock. So this is how you can create and use wastage in Petpooja inventory. A point to be noted here would be that wastage is different than the reconciliation loss. Wastage is essentially a list of all the items which are wasted by the staff by mistake or by the customer unknowingly. Reconciliation loss will be the variance between your physical stock and your digital stock whenever you will be inputting closing stock. These two are different things, but essentially it will be covered under the bracket of losses incurred. Thank you.